Hello everyone, welcome to Sujitra's online reading channel. Today we are going to explore into the nutrition contained in spinach, how it can benefit the body and a range of flavorsome ways to include this in the diet. Spinach is a very healthy food. It is packed with tons of nutrients in a low calorie package. Dark leafy greens like spinach are vital for skin, hair and bone health. They also provide protein, iron, vitamins, and minerals. Spinach improves blood glucose control in people with diabetes, helps lowering the risk of cancer, and improving bone health as well as supplying vitamins and minerals. Spinach has been used by various cultures throughout history, notably in Mediterranean, Middle Eastern, Southeast Asian cuisines. It can be incorporated quite easily into any diet as it is very cheap and easy to prepare. 1 cup of spinach contains calories, protein, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, loads of vitamin A and folate. Spinach also contains vitamin K, fiber, phosphorus and thiamine. Most of the calories in spinach come from protein and carbohydrates. A lack of iron in the diet can affect how efficiently the body uses energy. Spinach is a great source of iron if you can make sure to combine vitamin C rich foods such as citrus fruits with plant iron like spinach. It definitely improves assimilation. Spinach is also one of the best sources of dietary magnesium, which is necessary for energy metabolism, maintaining muscle and nerve function, regular heart rhythm, a healthy immune system, and also maintaining blood pressure. Magnesium also plays a part in hundreds more biochemical reactions that occur in the body. Spinach contains an antioxidant known as alpha lipoic acid, which has been shown to lower blood sugar levels, increase insulin sensitivity, and prevent oxidative stress induced changes in patients with diabetes. Studies on alpha lipoic acid have also shown decreases in peripheral neuropathy and autonomic neuropathy in diabetes. Spinach and other green leafy vegetables contain chlorophyll to be effective at blocking the carcinogenic effects of heterocyclic amines. One of these nutrients is beta carotene. Spinach is an excellent source of beta carotene that helps prevent asthma. Due to its high potassium content, spinach is recommended for people with high blood pressure. Potassium can help reduce the effects of sodium in the body. A low potassium intake might be as potent a risk factor for developing high blood pressure as a high sodium intake. Low intakes of vitamin K have been associated with a higher risk of bone fracture. Adequate vitamin K consumption is important for good health as it acts as a modifier of bone matrix proteins, improves calcium absorption, and may reduce the amount of calcium that leaves the body in urine. Spinach is high in fiber and water, both of which help to prevent constipation and promote a healthy digestive tract. Spinach has large quantities of vitamin A, loads of it, which moderates the production of oil in the skin pores and hair follicles to moisturize the skin and hair. It is this oil that can build up to cause acne. Vitamin A is also necessary for the growth of all bodily tissues, including skin and hair. Spinach and other leafy greens high in vitamin C are crucial for the building and maintenance of collagen, which provides structure to skin and hair. Iron deficiency is a common cause of hair loss, which may be prevented by an adequate intake of iron-rich foods such as spinach. Spinach is a very versatile vegetable and can be eaten raw or cooked. It is available fresh, frozen, or canned. Here are some tips to try to incorporate more spinach into a daily routine. Add spinach to pastas and soups. You can lightly saute spinach in a small amount of virgin olive oil. Season with freshly ground black pepper and freshly grated cheese. Add spinach to a wrap sandwich or flatbread. You can make a dip with spinach, such as spinach and artichoke dip or spinach and goat cheese dip, or add a handful of fresh spinach to an omelette or scramble, or throw a handful into a smoothie. These are the benefits of having spinach. Hope you are going to include spinach in your everyday diet. Thank you for listening. Do subscribe, like, and share my channel. Bye bye. This is Sujitra.